Buongiorno, we are in South Florida, 1 week away from the fight. Arman is coming from a TKO win, and I think this fight will open the door for the top 5. That will mean maybe another fight and then title shot. What I'm doing now is I'm going through all the numbers for the day when it comes to calories, macronutrients that we're gonna use, and then when Arman wakes up and tells me the weight, I adjust them. I'm gonna show you what we do on fight week in this video blog. Early in the morning with the big brother, Arman Tsarukyan. How we doing?
Fine, you?
I'm very good. We're going to Publix, doing some grocery shopping.
Yes.
So Arman can eat 1 week to the fight.
Yes, yes.
So how is Arman gonna win?
Maybe submission.
Submission?
Yes.
Boom.
Let's go.
What's up, dog? Today is Saturday and it's a pretty good day. Sparring, a sauna, massage. Can't wait to fight, you know. I'm so excited to go to Austin and to fight in main event with crowd.
What is the biggest crowd you fought in front of?
In Canada versus Abu Murcia. It was like 25,000 people. It was big arena. My favorite food in fight week is yogurt with protein, granola, chocolate, pasta of course, tomato sauce pasta, it's the best one. Actually, I like all food that you cook. One of the best doctor and chef. So a couple days ago, one guy like asked me, can I get interview from you? I was playing Nardi and I lost, you know. I don't wanna lose again. So okay, now get out. I gotta play. I can't lose. Sunday, fun day. Nothing fun. Fun was in lunch. I had the pasta. Now I'm just getting used to being hot water. This is secret. I didn't know that 5 years ago. Nobody told me how to cut.
The same yogurt every day.
The best breakfast in the world. We are going to airport to fly to Austin, make money, and then come back. After the fight, I wanna come here, stay here a couple days, and then go to Los Angeles.
Do you know how to surf?
I do.
Oh. You're here for us.
Fuck no. For you, maybe.
We made it to Austin. It's time to cook. It's Wednesday morning, we're in Austin. Arman just went to do media obligations because it's the main event, you know, it's big time, he's a superstar. I'm here. Pollo arrosto, roasted chicken and potatoes. Let's go. So as you can see in the background, we don't exactly have a big pan in this house. And I like to keep the chicken for a few minutes each side in the pan before roasting it. So the chicken is in the oven. We did this thing on the pan. I don't know how to call it in American. In the meantime, you see, potatoes. Scrocchiarelle, as we say in Italian, crunchy. You cannot just put them in the oven right away. They're never gonna come crunchy. In the water first, and then in the oven. There's another middle step, to be honest with you, secret. The guys are gonna be tremendously happy. And yeah, let's go. Don't try this at home. I'm missing a tool. Literally like the most stupid thing I did in a while. Here we are. Awesome. Apparently there was a scuffle. I cannot leave you alone for a few minutes and you guys get in trouble.
Yeah.
So what happened?
I just asked him why you like talking shit about me. You don't respect me, and he started like he a little bit pushed me, and I pushed him, and that's it.
Me and a few of our guys, me and go to downstairs in the lobby, and then we meet Bobby Green team again, and like a little bit got.
This afternoon, no troubles, please.
No,
No trouble, you promise?
like I can't promise that.
Okay, well, anyway, tonight I'm planning to make pasta with broccoli sauce. Is that okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're any pasta good girl.
To keep it gangster, as I'm cooking for Arman tonight, I'm rewatching the OC. Yes, it has been 25 years since the first season came out. Christmas vibes are in the air. So here we are, watching the OC as we're cooking. The Chris Muka episode. If you're a fan, you know what I'm talking about. I didn't really understand what happened between Arman, the team, Bobby Green. I was here, I didn't partake. Also because I'm not really the type of person that will do well on a street fight.